Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire BIN-DOOR part number 297350100. Frigidaire BIN-DOOR part number 297350100 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is the bin door that attaches to the refrigerator door and holds items such as eggs, butter, and cheese. The part is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit most Frigidaire refrigerators. It features a clear plastic window so you can easily see what's inside without having to open the door. The part also includes mounting hardware for easy installation. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part and is designed to replace the original bin door. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement door bin for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a broken or damaged door bin and can help restore the functionality of the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the existing bin door by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new bin door in place and secure it with the screws that were removed from the old bin door. 4. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.